Hi, my name is Nakia, and I'm a Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. And today I would like to introduce you to a new segment of my YouTube channel, Hot Topics. On Hot Topics, we will discuss some of the hottest trends in home decor, organization, and planning and productivity. I will share with you some of the newest things that are in the news and also that are very popular by influencers, celebrities, and then also some of our favorite home decor channels. I look forward to sharing these hot topics with you and also hearing from you. On Hot Topics, if you have a question or concern, please email me, PM me, and let me know some of the things that you would like to see or some of the things that you're concerned about. So if you're not already a subscriber to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you can stay updated on our monthly Hot Topics segments. And also, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and have a divine day.